Welcome to As Seen on Social Media, where normal people put viral social media posts to the test.
Hey guys, welcome back. So an awesome fan of YouTube, Sniper Gamer, asked us to check out a video entitled How to Open a Lock with 2 Nut Wrenches. So we've been looking at these videos. A lot of people have done them, and one of the things that we've realized out of the videos, that most of them use locks that are made out of cast, and pretty similar to this one. I mean, it kind of looks like cast. I'm not sure if it's stock. So we thought we would test it on 2 different kinds of locks, including a master, which construction is a little bit different. I think is a little bit stronger. So we're just going to take a straightforward approach and see if we can bust this lock with a couple wrenches, just like in the video. And that broke just like I thought it would, and it kind of does look like cast, so that might be one of the reasons why it was so easy to break this lock. If you look really close there, it does look like cast. It doesn't really look like stock brass. I'm not sure if that makes a difference, but I know cast isn't as strong as stock. So next I thought we would try it on this master lock. No, that hit you, right?
Yeah, it did.
It did?
In the stomach, but it's okay.
Okay, so we got this master lock, and then we're going to try it on this master lock, if we can get it out of the package in here. So it's just a regular old master lock, nothing special here. See if we can do it with break the master lock. Okay, we might have to get smaller wrenches here. Okay, so we found some wrenches, and look like they'll fit this master lock. And we're going to go ahead and give this a try. Let's try a little bit bigger here. I can definitely feel something crunching there, but nothing's breaking yet.
Nothing.
No, it broke.
It did?
Yep. And there you have it. Broke the master lock too. Little bit more difficult than the other one. You can definitely see where the weak point is on each lock. Once again, this one was a Brinks lock, which I believe is cast. I guess that could be stock, but it looks like cast to me. And this is definitely a better construction on the master lock, but we definitely broke the pin, definitely. Okay, well, thank you for watching. Thank you for Sniper Gamer for sending us the video. Make sure to check us out on Facebook if you haven't already. If you like this video, hit the like button, and remember, if you see any unbelievable bullshit out there, let us know. Peace.